What's happening there, guys, and welcome back to our channel. NFTs are all the rage these days, and many people are joining in on the craze. But if you want to establish something on your own, then do stick around. In this video, we're taking a look at how to launch an NFT project by yourself. Number 6, pick a theme. Setting up an entire NFT project on your own is a big task, so we have to take this step by step and start from the very basics. The first step in this grand plan is to pick a theme that your NFTs will have. What we mean by this is that just like the Bored Ape Yacht Club have the theme of apes dressed up in different costumes, your NFT should have a general theme as well. You have to decide which of the attributes in your NFT collection have to be changed, like for example, having different background and color schemes. It can be anything you like, but one important thing to remember is that the theme must resonate with the other people as well. If it's just you that ends up enjoying the theme, then your project won't get very far. Number 5, how to get the artwork. One of the major problems that might come up when you start this project is where to create the artwork that people are going to spend their crypto on. Well, if you're an artist yourself, the solution is to simply create the art by yourself. Otherwise, you have to go to certain websites like Upwork and hire freelancers to create your artwork for you. Another way to approach this problem is to collaborate with an artist, but in this method, the artist might make a cut of the final NFT that is sold. If you don't like this, then there are certain online generators that can create generic artwork for you. Number 4, where to store NFTs. The next step to figure out is where to store the NFTs themselves. Since the whole movement of crypto is based on decentralization, the answer to the storage problem is the same. There are multiple decentralized file storage systems online that can be used, but one really useful among them is IPFS. One thing to remember is that unlike what most people think, the pictures or GIFs that represent NFTs aren't stored on the blockchain itself that just contains the proof of ownership. Number 3, setting up a contract. If you get this far, then you have to finalize the system of transaction, which is to say that you have to set up a smart contract. This sets up the system where the user mints the NFT that you have to put up using IPFS. This also sets up the rules regarding you getting paid in Ethereum for the purchase. These smart contracts can be set up using services like Solidity, which can handle all the complicated portions of these contracts. This is considered to be one of the final steps in setting up your own NFT project, but you aren't done yet. Number 2, getting a website. The final step can be thought of as a presentation, and that is setting up a website that you can sell the NFTs on. This might seem simple, and compared to the previous steps, it is, but it's still one of the most crucial steps that must be taken to have a successful business. The main purpose of the website would be to provide a location where people can go and mint their NFTs. Even if you aren't an expert at coding, setting up the website is simple because there are multiple templates already present online. You just have to get one that you like and tweak it a bit to your liking. Then, in order to host the website, you could use a service like Fleek. After this, your NFTs would be buyable by anyone that comes across it. Number 1, gathering interest in project. After completing all the prior steps, even though you have a viable product, there's the step of reaching the right people that is left. Since there are so many NFT projects that are popping up these days, you have to get creative in order to reach as many people as you can. One really easy way to gather the interest of a lot of similar-minded people is to join certain Discord servers that are related to the topic of NFTs. The most important aspect of your project has to be building a community that enjoys being involved in this project. So these were some of the details of how to launch an NFT project by yourself. It might seem like a daunting task at first, but after you set it up, it'll really be rewarding. And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And with that in mind, if you enjoyed the content, then go ahead and smash that like button. Until next time, take care and goodbye.